We're looking at a 19th century nautical coastal chart issued by the United States government. It's noteworthy because unlike so many coast charts issued by the government around this era, this one is printed on a very sturdy, heavy bond paper, and these are unique to the year 1879, these maps. And what's interesting is it's lithographed, and you can actually see on the map in the corners the four pinholes in the four corners where the sheet of paper was pinned down so that the stone used to lithograph it, it would register properly on the sheet. The hand coloring tremendously enhances the visual appeal of this. It's got the shoals, sounding depths, even interior terrain and topography, including roads and property line divisions, a plan of South Thomaston here with even individual buildings and houses noted, the same along the roads here. Really, it's a marvel of detail. It's clean, well preserved, original fold lines is issued, and it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.